We're going to do a quick review for the Haylou W1 Earbuds. So Haylou is a brand belonging to Dongguan Liesheng Electronic Technology, and they are the OEM for Xiaomi's Mi and Redmi AirDots. So the W1 Earbuds is the latest that was just launched by this company, and it features the Knowles technology as well as Qualcomm aptX adaptive. So with the Knowles balanced armature driver, the dual Knowles balanced armature drivers retain the rich details of the high notes for main melody, bringing immersive listening experience. It has the following features: low distortion, fast transition, high resolution, rich details, and a wider spectrum. And with the aptX adaptive codec from Qualcomm, it can automatically adjust performance according to different scenes, bringing more vivid music and smoother gaming. It has got the Qualcomm QCC3040, and together with a Bluetooth 5.2 chip, it supports a dual channel communication technology, seamless switching between mono and stereo mode. These chips allow a faster transmission speeds, lower power consumption, and also Bluetooth stability. It has got a 20-hour battery life. So the earbuds offer a 6 hours playtime on one single charge, while the charging case extends that to 20 hours. Take note, it also has got the CVC 8.0 and ENC. So the CVC 8.0 is a noise reduction technology, and it has got 4 microphones with 2 per earbud. You can see that the design is very ergonomic, and it fits very comfortably in the ear when you put it in. On the earbuds itself, it has got smart controls, which we have shown in the previous video. So take note, this pair of earbuds come with IPX4 water resistant. So with IPX4 water resistance, it is protected against occasional splash, but please do not wear it or use them in heavy rain or in showers. And take note, the charging case, it is not waterproof. So it comes in box with a USB-C charging cable, and you can actually charge through this charging port at the back of the charging case. The charging case has got LED battery indicators as well, so you'll know when to charge the charging case as well. So we have used the Haylou W1 earbuds for about a week now. We have listened to music, listened to sermons, and we find that the clarity of the sound of the voice is clear and sharp. We also find that for the music, the midtones and the bass is well balanced. So in conclusion, we would recommend the Haylou W1 earbuds for its price, for its features, and for its sound clarity.